Hi, today is the second day following what is M&A. Today I'm going to talk about why M&A. Before we start, just a brief introduction of myself. My name is Jin Hee Lee, a business attorney, especially M&A and business transaction with Korean companies. My office is in LA, but during most of my career, I had practiced in Korea at a big law firm as a M&A and corporate lawyer for 8 years and moved to LA, and now I'm practicing as a FSC registered to the State Bar of California. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna talk about why does people do M&A and what's the beauty of M&A. We can say that the reasons why people do M&A are starting a new business, expansion of current business, economy of scale, synergy, corporate restructuring, regulatory compliance, and of course, the money. But let's think about this. Isn't it only way to do M&A to do a new business or expand the current business? Well, I don't think so. If you want to, you can buy or rent a facility, hire someone who knows the business, and get the permit. So, what's the beauty of M&A? Let me tell you from the buyer's perspective first. In my opinion, when you do M&A, you can remove the uncertainty of new entry or expansion and enter the new market smoothly and quickly. If you start a new business, of course, it's depending on market conditions and company circumstances. It may take a long time for the business to be stable, and it may take longer to build solid technology or networking. Also, it's never be easy to compete with the existing companies who already have vested interests. However, acquisition of other business or companies through M&A means entering the market faster because the business already has market shares, networking, and production system. And the buyer can scrutinize the target company via due diligence, so it should be more reliable than starting from nothing or starting from the bottom. But of course, because of these facts, it requires reporting and reviewing by FTC to get an approval of the M&A. And next, let me tell you from the seller's perspective. In terms of the seller's perspective, usually doing M&A means money. Seller may do M&A to attract investors or in terms of corporate restructuring, to raise funds for the growth of the company. The company issues new shares to investors or sales business to restructure the company. But can you just borrow the money from bank when you need it? So what's the beauty of M&A in terms of sellers? I think the answer is the chance that the seller can get from the buyer to develop or revive the company with all physical and human resources of the buyer. Also, the buyer and the seller or the target company can create a business partnership for the future business plan. Okay, this is what I got today. Actually, I was gonna do more about the risk of M&A, but it's gonna be too long, so I'm gonna do that next time. And as always, if you have anything to ask about M&A, business transaction with Korean companies, investment in Korea, or anything, any kind of Korean law or Korean legal issue, just scroll on down and leave a comment and let me know. Or also, you can send me an email. Hope you enjoyed the content today. Thank you.